All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a button tutorial on the Toyota Camry XLE. So starting on the left side down here, this one comes with the memory seats. It's an upgraded package that this one comes with. So you have memory seat 1 and 2, and you can set it with this button. This right here is your knob to adjust your mirrors right here on the side. And then down here, you have your lock and unlock, and then your child lock for the windows in the back, and then all your different windows right there. Right down here, you have your automatic high beams, traction control off. This is to control the brightness on your digital gauge cluster in front of you. This is your panoramic view monitor. I'll show you after the other buttons here. You can open up the trunk right here. You can open up the gas right here. When you push this button on your audio multimedia screen, it does a perimeter scan of the Camry, and then it eventually will go into an overview camera. And there's that overview camera for you. Now let's talk about what's going on here on the steering wheel. So on the left side, you have your back button, your call button. If somebody calls you, you can answer it. All these arrows right here are to control that digital gauge cluster right in front of you. So you can actually customize 3 different pages. Then when you hold the OK down, you can customize what's on each individual page. So really in the end, that's just up to you how you want to customize that. Then you have your volume down and up and your voice to speak right here. On the right side of the steering wheel, this is your cruise control button. Then you have your steer assist with lane keep assist. And then if you want to adjust the speed up and down for your cruise, right there, cancel the cruise. Right here is your button for your regular cruise, or you can use adaptive cruise. And then this is to adjust the gap between you and the preceding vehicle in front of you. And then your different channels and stations. Right here on the left side is all your controls for your lights. And then on the right side, you have all the controls for your windshield wipers. Now right here, you have your audio multimedia screen. There's your music button. There's your calls. And then your vehicle customizations and settings where you can set up your Bluetooth and a bunch of other stuff. Right down here, you have all your ventilation stuff. So you have your auto, heated and cooled seats on the inside. You can shut it off. Front defroster, rear defroster with outside mirrors. Your temperature controls are right there. Speed up and down. Heated steering wheel is right there. And then you have where you want the air to flow. And then temperature control for your passengers on this side, unless you want to sync them together. Heated and cooled seats for your passengers on that side. Direct airflow to occupied front seats. Circulate the air within the cabin, and your AC button. Right here you have a wireless charger. Then you have a USB, 2 USB-Cs. And then you have some extra storage here with 2 cup holders and some storage in here and something to charge your devices. Right here is your shifter. You just push the button here to put it in reverse. And you have a nice backup camera with an overview camera, and then you have all these backup sensors. And then once you put it in drive, there you go, and then put it in park. Now right down here, you have a couple different drive modes. I'll show you how those work after on the screen. You have EV mode if you want to drive on just the electric portion for a short period of time, brake hold function, and then you have your electronic parking brake. Now let's take a look at the drive modes here. So you can put it in eco, you can put it in normal, and you can put it in sport. Right up top here, you have your rear view mirror with 3 different garage door setups. Right up here, you have your light controls. I always like to set it on door so when I open the doors, the lights will come on. But here's your individual lights right here, SOS. And then this does come with the panoramic glass roof. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna stop it real quick because this also does come with, it opens up the roof as well. Now right here on the seat, you have your 8-way power adjustable seat. You can go forward, back. You can lift just this part of the seat up. This makes the seat go forward and back this way, and your lumbar support's right down there. Now right here in the back seats, there's really not a lot of buttons. You have your window button right over here. And then right down here, you have a USB and a USB-C for your devices. Now right back here, you have a button for the trunk. You just push it, opens up. What's nice is that it comes up all the way. Some vehicles don't do that. And then right back here, this has an all-weather mat for the Camry, but you have plenty of room back here. Now right up here, you can pull these to lower the seats back there. Now this does come with a jack and a spare tire, which a lot of people like to see that. Now let's go over the key functionalities here on the door. You put your hand here to unlock it. You push this to lock it. And if you hold your hand here for more than 3 seconds, all the doors will unlock. Now right here on the key fob, you have your lock you have your unlock, and again, you have your trunk button and your panic button. Then once you hit the lock button 3 times, hold it on the third, the lights will blink, signaling that the remote starts working. Thanks so much for sticking around and watching this video. Again, a lot of the reviews that I do and the button tutorials are a little bit more of a basic button tutorial, because there's a lot more that you can do in these vehicles, especially on these digital gauge clusters. You can customize some of your safety features and stuff. There also is power seats on this one for the passenger. I didn't get to show that to you guys. And then the child lock for the doors. I wasn't able to show you guys, but most vehicles are set up standard like that. If you guys are big Toyota fans, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the Camry XLE, make sure to leave a comment on this video.